delicious, mouth-watering, yummy, palatable. Add any other synonym to delicious that you know in that comment section, because what you're about to watch now is just that. Let's get it started. What I have in this pot is the vegetable I'll be using today. You can use tomato paste or tomato puree or both for this recipe, but I will be using tomato puree today. So what I've just poured into the oil is tomato puree. I'm going to add curry, thyme. I've added chili powder. I'm going to add seasoning into this. I'm just going to mix everything together. After mixing, I'm going to allow it to cook. This has been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes on the low heat. So I'm just going to mix it well. At this stage, it's time to add more water. I'm going to add more water and bring it to a boil. Yes, it is ready now. You can see it boiling. It's now time to add salt into this. After adding salt, give it a good mix. After that, it's time to get your well-washed rice. I'll be using long corn rice. That is it. It has been well-washed and drained. I've just added it now into the sauce. After adding it, just give it a gentle stir. All right, let it be well mixed with the sauce. After that, I'm just going to add this dried crayfish into it. Yes, try this method, you will love it. Now cover and cook. Let's check our rice. Can you see the water in it is almost dried out? Just give it a gentle mix at this stage, and after this, it's now time to add sliced onion into it. I'm going to go ahead and add my homemade smoked mackerel fish into it. If you want to see how I prepare this, check the comment section or the link above there. You will see is I added 1 habanero pepper into it. I want it spicy. Now I covered and cook on the low heat, and it's now time to check it. I opened it and I'm just going to mix this gently together. Lovely. The aroma here is I've told you I want to see in the comment section any other synonym you have for delicious. Let me see it there. This kitchen is filled with super aroma. This is so simple, direct, quick and stress-free recipe, but the taste is 5-star vibe. A must try for everyone. I will be using this opportunity to say thank you so much for you, all my returning viewers, my friends. I appreciate your support. God bless you. And I love you all so much. I appreciate your support. So, thank you for watching. Give this a try and let me know how much you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.